Hi guys, Richard at Orange Campus, and behind me is the first one off the production line, the new medium wheelbase Trouvaille option 2 with a high top roof on. Now this is a factory high top and it stands just under 2.6 meters tall, and that's including all the extras on top as well. So as you can see straight away, stunning van, beautiful colour. There is a choice of colours. We do a nice Artents grey as well, different colours as well. Now the factory vans we order in will have Fiat alloys on as well, and colour coded front bumpers and some extras inside. This was a stock vehicle in the country and we managed to find it such a rare van. It's an automatic and we built this one for a customer already. One of the main features of building on the high top is you get this full height door, so it really lifts right up to the roof line and gives you a stunning look or stunning view when you're sat inside. This customer's gone for a full height fly screen, which is great, keeps all the insects out, not just mosquitoes, but daddy long legs, moths, all sorts want to come in your van at night time. So that's a really nice feature. Like I said, we've got the electric step, and you can get a 700 wide step as well, so if you want that extra bit of foot safety you can go wider as well. Beautiful looking van. Let's have a look inside. So now we're inside the Trouvaille. If you've seen our videos before, if you've looked in the Trouvaille pop top version, it's identical from this height down. Everything stays the same inside the Trouvaille. The two single beds are still here. They make two singles or one double, they push together, and you've got the pop-up table and all the little bits you would see normally in the Trouvaille. The difference is in the high top, obviously, is if you notice straight away, I'm standing up freely, and the internal dimensions are 6'3" head height in all the way throughout the van. So there's no dip and climb anywhere. It's a constant 6'3" height. You notice there's an extra shelf just here above the picture frame window, and you've still got all the nice blinds and the fly nets on the windows as well as normal. You've got a nice drop-in shelf here, which is very useful, and then you see the top cupboards. So this is where the high top comes into its own. The amount of cupboards and storage is tremendous, really does make a big difference. And we've got this overhead locker, which is great for bedding. Now we've left this open, and you can attach a cargo net up there. We could put your door in if you wanted, but you know, it's designed so you can get things in easily, and if you put a door on there it limits your access, so that's a really nice useful space. And then these cupboards up here, you notice there's 3 cupboards at the top here, and we've made the doors open properly. So you know, before the pop top version we make them lift up downwards, so you save things falling out. This time, rather than making them lift up, we've made them lift sideways, so it just makes it so much simpler, so much easier to get things in and out. And as you can see, really big generous cupboards, and they're really strong cupboards as well. All our vehicles are built to last and built to put things in the cupboards where it's nice and safe. And if you notice, they're all individually spaced, or separated should I say, and you've got 3 really nice generous cupboards there. In the centre we've got a beautiful big skylight, and this has got your blind on and a fly net as well, so you can have this fully open and letting lots of fresh air and lots of light in your van, and it really does open the van up. Look at the light and the fresh air, what you know you can gain from just opening that. You can have it on different settings as well, so you can lock it in place, so if you are going out then you can lock it and the wind won't take it away, makes it nice and safe. And then when you want to shut it, you're still getting all that natural light beaming into your van. Straight behind there, you notice this customer's got a TV. A great place to have a TV because it's on a tilting bracket. You can watch it while you stood in the kitchen, spin it all the way around. You can watch it here. You've got the 3 chairs here. You can also, don't forget, you can drop these settees down, make a nice bench seat as well, which is really nice. So you can have your TV there. And then behind this, you've got where the wardrobe is on the pop-top version. You notice it's just much higher. So you get a lot more space in this van, and a lot more cupboard space as well. And if you slide this down, or if the bed's down, this door will open fully all the way around, which makes things a lot easier. So really good generous space. Lots of pocket hole space as well. So we've got an enclosed cupboard at the top, another storage at the bottom, and these will take bottles at the bottom of this one. So it's a good place to put some bottles, especially your wine or your cooking oil, things like that, once you set up to stop. And If we have a look around the back, I'll show you the kitchen area and the bathroom area as well. So if we walk into the rear of a van, and as you can see, a beautiful galley space walking through, it always feels bigger, this van. It's a really spacious van. We have a lot of customers come into our vans at the shows, and I can't believe how big and generous this van feels for such a short van. Don't forget it's only a medium wheelbase, 5.4, and like I say, lots of elbow room, really generous elbow room. And now we're in the kitchen area, and as before in the medium wheelbase, you've got all the nice features. You've got the cupboards down below. This one's got the oven grill, and like I say, lots and lots of drawers underneath. So all this stays the same. Lots of storage under the seats as well, and we've still got the big sink. Nothing's changed underneath, but the exciting part is the cupboards. So like I say, you can see how tall and how freely I'm stood up. And then to access your top kitchen cupboards, you notice you've got 4 cupboards in the top now. Really generous cupboards. The doors open nice and wide out the way. There's a split level shelf in the centre, so with a lip on it as well to stop things just dropping out. But a really generous cupboard there. You can fit a full-size dinner plate in there. You could even put some racks in there and make it really personable to yourself. So like I say, lots and lots of cupboard space, and the doors open properly. Very, you know, it makes common sense sometimes to use the things we're always used to. Rather than lift the doors up, open them like you would at home. And the cupboards feel like home cupboards because they're so generous. I don't think there's any other van on the market with such generous cupboards, and a good worktop space as well. So lots and lots of generous space. And then like I say, the wardrobe behind me, very big generous wardrobe, and everything's at the right height. There's a hanging railing there and a removable shelf as well, so lots of space there. And then because everything's stretch beam the high top, the fridge in the same place, and we've got a nice eye level fridge. We've made it so you can open the door all the way around now, so little things just matter and make it that bit nicer. So if you stood on this side of the fridge, you can open it from here as well as this side in the kitchen. A nice purpose-made freezer as well on this fridge. We've just changed the fridge manufacturer, and it really is a quality fridge. Above there, you've got a nice big cupboard, vast cupboard. Literally, I can put my arm in there. I could fit one of the children in there, I'm sure. But nice big cupboard. And then your table is at the back as always. So at the back of the van, nice easy access. You've got your table what lifts out and pops in the front there, and the table leg as well. So everything's designed to be the easiest possible way of getting to everything. Even with all the doors shut, you don't have to open the doors or anything. And then if you notice on this side, we've got the traditional storage. We've got really deep storage. Now we put the chairs, camping table. Look at the height difference now. You could have all sorts tied up there, and we put you some straps in so you can really hold everything down, because the van's only as good as what storage it's got. All the vans at the shows look amazing, and it's because they're empty. But you start loading a van with all the essential gear, and that's when a van comes to its own. You know, it really does need that space. We've got somewhere for your chocks, and then a little utility cupboard as well. So all your bits and bobs, chemical toilet, fluid, pegs, tie down, awning, accessories, your hookup lead, all fits in there nice and safe. And then fire extinguisher where you need it in the kitchen. And on the back of these drawers, again, as normal, we've got the bin on this one. We've got some pull-out drawers in this one. Lots of accessible, usable cupboards. And then, as you know, the toilet is on this side, and I'll open it and see if we've got enough angle to show you where we are. Dead easy to get in. You don't have to move around to get past the door. A little bifold door just comes straight past you. Makes access so easy. And then if you want to have some privacy, you push the lock and it gives you some nice privacy as well. So very, very useful. Or if you're like me, you like to have the bathroom door open and use it as a workspace. You've got lots of cupboards in there. Busy drop down shelf, and you can sit there waiting for your dinner to cook and take the weight off your legs. So lots and lots of features there. In the bathroom, you've seen our toilet before. It's got a full sit down toilet, 2 cupboards above, and extra height cupboards above that as well. So lots and lots of storage and lots of good usable space. So if you like what you see and you think the Trouvaille is a perfect van for you, why not come and see us at some of the shows up and down the country we'll be attending, and you'll find the details for those on our website. And don't forget, this medium wheelbase is available in manual or automatic gearbox as well. So we hope you like what you see, and we hope to see you soon.